Have you been hearing all about Agile project management and wondering how to get started? Maybe you've tried traditional project management methods and found them too rigid, or you are looking for a more flexible, collaborative way to run your projects. Well, Agile might be exactly what you need. In today's video, we're breaking down how to implement Agile project management, step by step, for beginners. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to get your first Agile project up and running. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Next Chair, where we simplify project management concepts and help you become a more effective project manager. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content. Today, we're diving into the world of Agile project management, especially for beginners, and we'll give you all the details on how to implement it successfully in your projects. Introduction. Agile project management is a highly popular and flexible approach used by teams to deliver projects incrementally. Unlike traditional project management methods that require a rigid plan, Agile allows you to break the project into small, manageable chunks, called sprints, allowing for constant feedback and improvements along the way. Agile is especially effective in software development, but its principles can be applied to almost any type of project. So, if you're new to Agile, don't worry. We're going to walk you through how to implement it from scratch, in a way that's easy to understand and apply in your own projects. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. Step-by-step guide. How to implement Agile project management for beginners. Step 1. Understand the Agile mindset. Before you even start working with Agile methodologies, it's crucial to understand the underlying mindset. Agile is not just about tools or processes. It's a philosophy focused on flexibility, collaboration, and delivering customer value. At its core, Agile values. 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. 2. Working software, or deliverables, over comprehensive documentation. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. These 4 values are the foundation of Agile, promoting adaptability and constant improvement. In other words, you should be prepared to welcome change, even late in the project, and to prioritize people and outcomes over rigid processes. The most important takeaway is that Agile thrives on collaboration and communication. Frequent feedback and flexibility allow Agile teams to stay focused on delivering a valuable product, no matter how many changes occur along the way. The sooner you embrace this mindset, the better equipped you'll be to implement Agile. Step 2. Assemble a cross-functional team. Agile project management heavily relies on cross-functional teams, meaning your team should have members with diverse skill sets who can work together to complete tasks from start to finish. This collaborative environment allows everyone to contribute their expertise and help resolve challenges quickly. Here's how you can set up your team. 1. Roles. Your Agile team should include key roles such as Product Owner, the voice of the customer who prioritizes tasks based on business value. Scrum Master, or Agile Coach, facilitates the Agile process, ensuring the team stays on track. Team members, designers, developers, testers, or any specialists required for the project. 2. Size. Keep the team small but efficient. A typical Agile team has 5 to 9 members. This size helps maintain agility and quick decision-making without unnecessary layers of communication. 3. Collaboration. Encourage open communication and collaboration within the team. Every member should feel empowered to contribute ideas and feedback. This collaborative spirit is key to making Agile work. Step 3. Define and prioritize your product backlog. A critical part of Agile project management is the product backlog. This is where all the tasks, features, and requirements for the project are stored, but they aren't just tackled randomly. The backlog is prioritized based on business value, customer needs, or project urgency. Here's how to manage your backlog effectively. 1. Create the backlog. Start by listing all the features, enhancements, bug fixes, and improvements that need to be done. In Agile, these are typically written as user stories, which describe what the end user needs and why. For example, as a user, I want to be able to reset my password so I can access my account. 2. Prioritize the backlog. Not every task is equally important. Work with the product owner to prioritize the backlog items, focusing on tasks that deliver the highest value first. 3. Keep it flexible. The backlog is a living document. It will change as the project progresses, based on customer feedback or new insights. Be ready to reprioritize tasks as needed. By organizing the backlog in this way, your team will always know what the next most important task is, and you can focus on delivering value in every sprint. Step 4. Plan and execute sprints. Sprints are the heart of Agile project management. A sprint is a time-boxed period, typically lasting 4 weeks, during which the team focuses on completing specific tasks from the backlog. The goal is to deliver a working product increment at the end of each sprint. Here's how to run a sprint effectively. Sprint planning. At the start of each sprint, hold a planning meeting. In this meeting, the team decides which tasks from the backlog will be worked on during the sprint. The product owner helps guide priorities, but the team ultimately commits to how much work they can complete. Daily stand-ups. Every day during the sprint, hold a short stand-up meeting, 15 minutes or less. Each team member briefly shares what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, any blockers or issues preventing progress. 3. These stand-ups help ensure everyone is aligned and that potential issues are addressed quickly. Deliverable. By the end of the sprint, the team should have a working, deliverable product increment that can be reviewed by stakeholders. This is key. Agile focuses on delivering value quickly and iteratively. If you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with anyone who's just starting out with Agile. Step 5. Hold sprint reviews and retrospectives. At the end of each sprint, 2 important meetings help ensure continuous improvement. 1. Sprint review. During this meeting, the team presents the completed work to stakeholders. This is an opportunity to gather feedback, understand any necessary changes, and adjust the backlog based on new insights. The review also helps maintain transparency between the team and stakeholders, ensuring everyone knows what's been accomplished and what's next. 2. Sprint retrospective. This is an internal team meeting where you reflect on the sprint's process. The team discusses what went well, what didn't go as expected, how the process can be improved in the next sprint. This is a crucial part of continuous improvement in Agile. The goal is to refine both the product and the process to make each sprint better than the last. Step 6. Adapt and improve with each sprint. One of the greatest strengths of Agile is its ability to adapt based on what you've learned. After each sprint, the team should reassess the backlog, adjusting priorities based on stakeholder feedback and sprint review discussions. Use insights from the retrospective to improve processes in the next sprint. Continuously update and refine the product until it reaches the desired outcome. Agile is an iterative process, which means your project will evolve, and so will your approach. Be open to change and ready to pivot based on new information or customer needs. Step 7. Repeat the process. Once the sprint is completed and feedback has been gathered, the Agile process simply repeats. You plan the next sprint, adjust the backlog, and continue improving your product until it's ready for launch or the project is complete. The beauty of Agile is that it's a cyclical process. You keep refining and delivering in increments, ensuring that you're always moving closer to the best possible outcome. With every sprint, your team will become more efficient and your product will become more refined. And if you are enjoying this step-by-step guide, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos on Agile and other project management strategies. Conclusion. To recap, implementing Agile project management is a flexible and collaborative way to manage projects that encourages frequent feedback and adaptation. Here's a quick summary of the steps we've covered. 1. Understand the Agile mindset. 2. Assemble a cross-functional team. 3. Define and prioritize your product backlog. 4. Plan and execute sprints. 5. Hold sprint reviews and retrospectives. 6. Adapt and improve with each sprint. 7. Repeat the process for continuous improvement. If this guide has helped you get started with Agile, make sure to like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe for more detailed guides on project management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.